Hi and welcome to Avtaars world, and I hope you're having a lovely day. For me, one of my childhood memories is the homemade fresh kebabs and all the meatiness, full of juice and succulent, together with the flavors. It just is so lovely. I actually like to use the turkey mince. Now again, turkey is very lean naturally than other meats, so it's a healthy option. I'm using here a kilo of a turkey mince, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, okay, only 1 teaspoon of garam masala. You want to be easy on this. You do not want it to be kind of overpowering the taste of the meat. You want it to enhance that taste. One of the ingredients that I love most in my kebabs, it is the caraway seeds. And in Punjabi, it's called ajwain seeds. Now, it's one of those things, you know, the grandmas and the mums use it all the time to stop that indigestion. So that goes in. 1 egg, which I'm going to gently whisk it. So that goes in as well. My favorite in the kebabs is the fresh mint leaves. Is the best thing that you can put. It brings in the greenness and it brings in that lovely fresh taste of the mint. 2 inches of ginger in there, and I've got 4 garlic pieces and 2 green chilies. Put these all into the food processor and blend them together. So in they go, and I'm just going to mix this together. Egg is going to actually help to bind it together. I put my gloves on and I'm just going to mix it together. When it is ready, it starts becoming almost like dry consistency, so I still need to mix this more. Already I can smell the lovely flavor of the garlic, the ginger. So the mince is ready, and I want to make these into little patties. So I will use a spoon, and what I tend to do is just 1 big tablespoon and just press it gently, and it's ready on the tray. And I've just very quickly taken a tablespoon, very quickly patted it and put them onto the tray. So all you need to do is put them into the oven, get them cooked one side, and then turn them round for the other side to get them cooked. So the kebabs have been in the oven for roughly 15 minutes on the high heat, and as you can tell, they're already almost cooked from that top side. Turn them all around. The kebabs are now done, and they're looking really nice and juicy. They have separated, and all in all, it's taken me only half an hour in the oven. I turn them once again to get that crispy coating. They can be served with green chutney, cucumber and the yogurt dip. So the kebabs, you can tell they are ready, evenly cooked. all that aroma that's coming out and the flavor of the ingredients, everything is really nice, well balanced, absolutely scrumptious. So in there, goes the kebab goes in. Depending on how much meat do you want, you can add those, and add some salad, some cucumber with the yogurt dip, as much as you want, and you have a big dollop of the green chutney, and you got a really beautiful homemade kebab. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for being with us. Till next episode, God bless you all. Take care.